Amna, Safa, you you got the output like today what I show now.
Mr. Me, no.
Why no?
I don't know, it's have problem maybe.
No, what is the problem? You have to read that one. Then you will understand that problem. What is the
Mister,
error?
I will present and I will show you.
Okay, I present. I will stop presenting now. Present.
Mister, this is the output.
No, I did not see your screen. You present your screen.
I present.
No, it is not coming.
Mm.
Could not start glassfish server HTTP internal port is occupied. Server is not running. Server, is it running server? No, for you, I think Oracle is starting automatically. You have to stop that service. See,
Which
you
service,
can go
Mister?
and
Glass.
uh, you do one thing. Wait, I will give you one command. Anwar, Miss Anwar,
Yes, doctor.
yeah, what happened? Any output you got?
Sorry, I didn't hear you well.
You got any output to finish this one? The task which,
No, I didn't finish it yet.
if you don't finish, then you will not be getting anything understood. So that is what I am telling you. You have to practice, otherwise you cannot do anything. This course will be zero. It will become. Amna, you type this command, open the run window, then type CMD, DOS prompt, the back black window. Are you listening, Amna?
What, mister?
Like this, you open the
Mm-hmm.
DOS prompt like this CMD, will open. Then you type this command. Then it will show you the list of all the this number you can find. You type that one.
Yes.
So what do you see now? Present your screen. Screen, present your screen. TCP/8000 listening port. It's listening. Wait, I will give one more command. Last time I give you that command. You have to remember that command. Can you see my screen?
No, mister.
Stop. I will present. You stop. See this command netstat minus ANO netstat minus ANO space pipe symbol find str 8080. find str colon 80 80. You type this command. I will share you this command. You type last, you will see the process ID. That means like this, one number will be there. When you type that command, you will get something like this. So tell me that number. We have to end that process. This is called process ID. So this is stopping. Did you type it?
Yes, Mr.
So what is the port number here? PID. What is the PID it is showing?
4900.
So you press Control Alt Del, go to Task Manager like this. Task Manager. Okay, here you go to Services. Control Alt Del. You will click Task Manager. So in the Task Manager, go in the last tab, Services. Click Services tab.
Okay, then
Then that number what you told now, 4000 something, you search here.
4900.
Yeah, see this PID, click this PID at the top. So when you see that number, just click on that number, then you can right click and stop. You can right click that and stop. Did you see that number 4000 something?
Yes. Yes, Mr.
Right click that, then click stop.
Okay.
Is it stopped now?
Yes.
Okay, so go to that previous tab, details. There is one more tab. Before services, there is details. Click that.
Okay, then.
Then you check that process ID. That ID is here. It is existing. PID is मौजूद नहीं. The same number 4000 something you told. Is that present here?
No, Mr. No.
Okay, خلاص. Now close this task manager. You try to run the application. Now it should run NetBeans. So you remember this command. Next time if this option, this problem comes, you have to type that command like this. Then you search for that port number. Then you have to stop that process. Okay, see students, so everybody has to practice this one and show me, otherwise you cannot be succeeded in this practice. So in order to get programming this one well, you must practice this one and show the output, get the output. So last this lecture actually it is over. If you practice, then only we can proceed now. See, I stopped up to here last class. JSF specification and overview, this one. So up to here we did the lab also. So this is just the details about the brief history of JSF, how the JSF, on in which year the JSF has been introduced. That information is this. So this information is not that much important for you, but for your knowledge, you should study and understand what is the current version we are using, what are the features, the new features existing in this JSF. So for that reason, I am showing you this one. So we can use the HTML5 with this JSF, and we can use CDI, AJAX, validations, injections. All these are the new features. Okay, so next, what are the main packages that are being used in this JSF 2.3 are these one. JavaX dot faces. This is the main package, which is the core API, core JSF API. You can see here in when you create a managed backing bean, whenever you open your backing bean, at the top you can see the import statements and you can understand. Okay, for example, this one, for example, see this one, javax dot inject named. Okay, uh, also for you, see this one, javax dot validation. So these are all the packages, this one, component, application, events. We will use this slowly one by one. So these are the main packages this Java server faces is having. Faces is the core API, then the application. So this package is connected to the application business logic objects. This package is connected to creating the components. This one is responsible for handling events like clicking the button, clicking the mouse on the button, etc. Then this is for conversions from string to object, like that. And this is for validations. Okay, all these packages we will use in this JSF 2.3 framework. Okay, how do you write the JSF page? By this class, or in the last class, I have shown you the very first line in your JSF page is this one. This is the namespace library. This is the tag library, which is called http xmlns gcp.org jsf/html. So short form, we will name it as h colon panel grid, h colon input text, h colon command button, h colon body, h colon form. So all these form, body, etc. components existing in this library HTML. So this must be imported. So this is the first line in your JSF page. See example here, if you need to display a table, this h colon panel grid tag we will use. If you want to display the input text box, H colon input text tag is used. So these tags, everything is maujood dakhil this package JSF HTML, and this is known as your core library, core JSF tag library. So in the XHTML file, you have to define these tag libraries. So you can refer back to your example 4.4. This one. See here, this is the tag library for HTML. So if you delete this, errors will be shown here. So when you see in your program also, in your JSF program, for example, I will show you here login. Where is login? So whenever you create a page, these are the main packages. These are the main libraries. One is called HTML, another is called core tags. So it is indicated with this letter F. H is indicated for identifying HTML tags. This one. Okay. So these are the important tag libraries that we use. So this is the structure of your JSF page. So that is known as anatomy. Okay, anatomy of a JSF page. Anatomy of a JSF page. So what is the JSF page will have? First, it will have these libraries to be imported. Then it contains the uh, body, form, and then you can create the components. See, what will happen here is writing a JSF page and run in the browser, you will not see the graphical representation what you are expecting. What you want, you will not see. So the JSF needs to display in HTML the components like text box, button, text, everything, pictures, all has to be converted from the JSF component to HTML. Then only you can see that in the browser. So now you are the developer, you can merge JSF components, CSS, HTML to style your web pages and to display the data back to the client. So JSF pages can be seen as a component tree that uses several tag libraries. In my video on the YouTube, I explained to you what is this component tree. Have you seen my video? Anybody, has you seen? I explained there how the component tree is created. Nobody seen, that means my video, because you are not answering. Hmm? What? I told you, have you seen my video? In that video, I explained what is this component tree, how the tree is created. So JSF page is seen as a component tree. I explained to you in the video. Did anybody seen my video? Have you seen my video? Did anybody saw the video? Nobody. See, no answer. Amna, have you seen the video? Safa,
No,
Anwar,
no, Mr. Mr. Which video?
what I told in the last class before ending.
Mr. You said see the video for that lecture
Lec
for.
yeah, lecture 4. In that video, it is there.
Mr. We see it, but we just do the program for
You
login.
have to See here everything. See, this is the view. For example, top one is the view. The how tree is created. In the view for the login page, what is your login page having? Login page is having text box here like user ID. Then you will have one text box here. Then same you have password. Then you will have one button also here. Then another button here. So this is your submit and this is your reset. So to display this page in the web, in this browser, what the JSF will do is it will create a tree view structure. So first, what is this one? Which tag you will use to display this text? Tell me which JSF tag you use to display this text.
Mister, you want the code or
Tag,
يعني
I am asking tag.
tag?
Which JSF tag you use?
Label, Mister.
Output label, you have to tell like this is colon output label. Okay, this is the one we use. So this is the tree. Then after that, what is this one? Which tag is this box?
Input text.
So it will create another component in the tree like that. Output text. Output text. Then similarly, it will create the another component password. So for that also, it will create one child, another child for this one text box, then for the button, then for the this one reset. So this will be like a tree shape structure, like how you are seeing here, like this same. See in the form, inside the form, you will have the panel grid. This one panel grid. Inside the panel grid, you have this one heading. Inside this one, you have this one label and text, output, and this one, then buttons. So these are all created like a tree shaped structure inside your web container. Tree means this one, like this. For the user ID, what are the components? For the password, what are the components? For the button, what is the component? So like this, it will create a tree. So that is the meaning here. I explained clearly in the video this one, how the JSF page can be seen as a component tree that uses these tag libraries. Okay, so you see that video. So now for you, anatomy means structure of JSF page. What is the main structure? First, these packages is imported. So these are the packages, libraries. So with that library, you will design here this form. Inside the form, there is a table with two columns. First is this ISBN number, title, price, blah, 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 blah. Finally, one command button. So this is nothing but your web page, what you see here. This one. The same page is created and the code for this picture is this one. This is the code for that one. So what are the components, JSF components we are using for each one is given here. So this is the same exercise that I told in the last class, login screen. So this is nothing but your structure of a JSF page. So JSF page structure starts with this one, this package. Then you will have inside the body form. Inside the form, all the components of form is important. Without form, your components is not going to be displayed. Okay, inside this form only you have all the components: input box, output label, okay, input secret, command button, etc. So this is the structure of your JSF page. Okay, so any doubts here in this JSF page? So this is nothing but your see header. The header of a JSF page can be seen as similar to Java import mechanism. So this is same like your Java importing, like import java x.io.star. How I will do in the Java class. The same way for the JSF page, we are importing the libraries here. So this is the HTML library which is indicated with this letter H, and this is the core library which is indicated with F. You can see here where this F is used. I used here to display the image of our college. You know, here there is an image I put. I will explain this last later. Where is that? Here. What is the name of the image? Mm, here, resources, images, logo. So this is the logo. This is the logo I am going to display in my web page. So I will run this page. Then you will see how to display that picture is using this tag. So this is the header F colon. So F is what? F is a core tag library, and this is your document type HTML, that format. So DTD it is called. So this is a root element in the HTML is this one, HTML, this one. After this you can have the JSF tags which are prefix with these letters H and F. Okay, till here any questions?
No, Mister.
So what is present inside the body? H colon body tag. What is present here? See, this is your body. This one, H colon body. So inside this is a JSF component. This is a JSF component. This is a JSF component. All these components are there. So inside the body, the page is a tree of components like this. Output text will be compiled into UI components. That means this tag is converted into simple text when I run the page. In the browser, we are seeing the output. How that output is coming is the JSF is rendering. It is displaying the JSF components into a what do you call HTML text. Here I will run this file. It will take time to start my server because I have so many applications here. Okay, by that time I will explain to you. Okay, so the conversion takes place. This tag is converted into normal text. Finally, in the web page, what you are seeing is a HTML code, not the JSF code. JSF code will be there inside the server. So that is converted into HTML. So this components, whatever we are using in the body, output label, input text, command button, input secret, all these components are converted into the UI components, into a tree of UI components. It's are compiled. Then only these are displayed to you as a text. Okay, so inside the text box we use the binding using the backing bean, like login controller dot username, login controller dot password. So in our class, this one UI component class, it has methods for navigation, creating a tree, how to interact with bean, how to validate your data, how to convert your data, and finally how to display the data. So JSF has this mechanism built in HTML and core components what you need to develop an application. So what are those UI components? They are given in this table number 10.3. See this one, h colon output label. This is present inside this class, HTML output label, and it is extends this one UI output. For everything, output label, input text, panel grid. See, for the panel grid tag, it is present in this class, HTML panel grid. This one, output label, is present in HTML output label. See, this class is in which package? HTML. This is in which package? Component. So Java x.faces.component. I told you here. So this is the component which is responsible for creating the outputs, whatever we use, like HTML output text or label, etc. Okay. So for more understanding of these tags, etc., you can view the textbook, and also in my video where I explain how the tree is created for a JSF page, how the tree. I will show you one example. See this one, component tree. How the component tree will be there. Form is there. Inside the form, you have input, you have the command button, you have the input secret. You understand this one? what I am trying to explain you? In your code, what you have here, this is a form. Inside the form, you have panel grid. Inside the panel grid, you have output text, output label, input text, input secret, command button. So this is a tree, component tree. Like this, the tree is created by this JSF. Then it will display your page. Like this, see. Now it is clear here. You understand this one. Inside your server, component tree is created, and that tree is displayed to you in the Google Chrome as a web page. Can you understand now, students, what I am trying to explain?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Mister.
So this is the logic. The JSF is giving you the tree shape component structure where we can add, we can delete, we can modify the components for our page, web page. Okay, so then only you can see the output in the browser like an HTML page like this, like how you are seeing here. So I ran this page. See, this one is the page. Finally, what you are seeing is a HTML. See, right click, view source. It will show you the code of this page. Can you see here? Do you find H colon form, H colon body or something like that? Here, do you find any JSF tag?
Yes, Mr. Fun.
Where do you have
Oh,
any
Mister.
JS? Where
This is the first.
where is the JSF?
Or Mister, this that you highlight.
No, this is the normal HTML. See, form. This is your JSF code. This one, H colon form, H colon output text username. So username is like this here. See, where is that username? This one. Table is created. This is HTML code. What the output you are seeing here is the HTML code. So your JSF is translating that. That is what I show you now. Your pages is converted into a tree. Then that tree is visible to you in the form of a browser. Final output, what you are seeing here, this is not the JSF. This is just HTML. This is just the HTML code. This one. Final code, what you see, this one is, this is your HTML. But the equivalent JSF code is this one. This is your JSF. So it is rendering your page in the form of an HTML. Okay, so body contains these components. Okay, like this, you have many components for command button, for input text box, for output text box, for displaying the message, for using drop down, radio button, check box. Okay, everything you have a component. These are the standard JSF user interface components. UI means user interface. User interface command, user interface component, user interface input, user interface output, etc. So these are all the components we can use in our web pages. Okay, so this is what I explained, and also I explained the fifth lecture also, the managed bean, navigation, everything I explained. So those things again you will see in the lecture 5. How to create a backing bean, how to create the navigation, those things. So now your task, your duty is to finish this one successfully, this program. So if I type the username and password, you display this one in the next page. Like this, your username is Samir and password is 1234. These all I will tell you in the fifth lecture, sixth lecture. Just create two text box. One is ID, another is password, one button. So when you click that button, you go to that page and display the data. This I want. That is what I show you, ask you to do in the last class. Did you run now, Amna?
Yes, Mr. Yes, it's running.
So this output is coming for you like this. What you have login screen last class, how I show you. जी output वाला माई जी.
يجي مستر.
Show me now. Run and show. Present your screen. I will stop the count. What about Safar?
Mister, I get the output.
Please show me
Okay.
so that the other students also by seeing that will understand what you are doing. Okay, type the username, password, and click the login button. Just some text you type in your name, something. See in the page, where is the page? Login.xhtml, line number 12, column number 36. Illegal syntax. Go to that line number 12 in the home login.xhtml. This is your page. So show me line number.
This one?
Yeah, so you have created just a page, but you have not created the manage backing bean. Okay, you create now. Right click on the project.
I create a new project?
No. Existing project. What is the name of this project? Where is your login
This
dot?
one.
There. Go up. Project. Here. This one. Right click. New. Backing bean is there. CDI bean. Yes. JSF CDI bean. Click JSF CDI bean. Click.
This one.
Yes. Click. Type login controller. L small. Login. Sorry. L capital. This is a class name. Login controller. L capital, C capital. Login. After that, C capital. Controller. CONTROLLER. Login controller. Wait. Don't click next. Come down here in the package. Click this
Here?
package. Dakhil package. Click inside.
This one? Uh-huh.
Com dot. Select any. Okay, this up. Okay, select. Okay, here come in the scope. Here scope. Select request. Now click finish.
Mister, what is the problem?
What is happening? Some error is coming.
When I click finish, it's see.
It is not going. I think this
No,
package name you change. What is the name here? Can you read this one last?
this one?
Oh,
com.mohe dot Maven
last.
project.
Let
You do one
Hmm?
thing. You remove this one. This one backspace you put here. Here.
Which one?
Remove. Remove now. Backspace.
Here.
Click backspace. Lala. Backspace in the keyboard. Package. Go to package.
Back here.
Click package. Click package. Taha.
Hmm.
Click there. No, inside the box. Okay. Backspace. Click backspace. Button backspace. Backspace. Remove all. Remove everything you remove. Delete. Type com dot. You type there com
Mm-hmm.
dot mohe. Khalas. Now finish. Click finish now. Why
Still.
it is not? Go back. Go back. No, here there is a back button here. This one.
This one?
La tahat.
تحت.
Down. Last. Back button. Finish is there. Back is there. No. Finish is there. Here back is there.
Okay.
JSF. Can you give me your password? I will check now.
You will enter to my laptop?
Yeah, I want to enter your laptop. Give me your ID and
Okay.
password.
Do it.
Anwar, if you have not done, please do it now and show me, please. Safa, you also.
Okay, Mister.
I finish, Mister.
But I want to see the output.
Mr. Open
Can
chat
I
box.
I opened. Where is that? You did not send me.
Mr. You don't open it.
I opened my chat box. See, you send me your password and your ID. I did not receive it.
Still, Mr. The right chat isn't available.
Okay, now send. Copy your ID. Then where is my team viewer? So your password is what is your password? D23FZ2. D23FZ. Where is your NetBeans? Where is your controller? Phone. Why you created this project name like this? You have to install this library. It will restart your IDE. Anwar, what you are doing, Anwar?
I am working on it, Mr.
Okay, okay, make it work.
Mister,
Hmm. Yes, tell.
what about me about my SQL?
Is it changed to English?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, I will check.
Okay.
See, Amna, your packages were Java library. It was not installed. So because of that, you are unable to create. So here you create now two properties: private string user ID, private, sorry, password. Now you create here getter setters. Right click and click insert code. Then click getter setters. Insert code. Generate getter setters. Okay, write one method there. Public string. No, no. Already you created, no? Okay, getter separate and setter separate you are creating. In one time you can do everything. Okay, now write a method. Public string S capital string. String is a class. So go there, space, type display login. Okay, method brackets. Open the curly brace, enter. Now here return space. You have to create double quotation. Double quotes. Inside the double quote, write the name of the page where you want to navigate. For example, home page. HOME. JSF page should be always small letters, lowercase. Starting one. There should not be any space between page. Yeah, correct. Semicolon. Okay, so you have to create one JSF page now with this same home page name. Okay, right click on your project, new JSF page. Okay, name is same, home page. Exactly same you have to give. Capital letters means capital. Small letter means small letter. Okay, finish. Yeah, here you can say login successful. Okay, save your application and run the application. not home page. First, you have to go to login.html. Login. Okay, now type name. Sorry. Type. Login, press. See why it is doing like this? There is no property binding here. So go to your page. Here you have to use expression language. This one. Hash with curly bracket. Then what is the name of the bean? Login controller. Dot. What is this one? Username. So I will select user ID. So this is called binding. Your property user ID present in this login controller is bounded to this component of JSF. Understand this one, student?
Mister, we can see your screen.
No, not my screen. I am working on Amna's computer.
Yes, we can see.
Oh, she has to share. Yeah,
Oh,
here.
it's okay.
So here we have to bind hash. What is the name of bean? Login controller. Double click. Dot. Which property is this one? Password. So I will click this one. Now here, what is the action? You are clicking the button, but you are not moving to any other page. Here, when you click this button, you need to call method. What is that method? Hash.
Log in control.
Yes, very good. This one, other display login. So in this one, you are telling go to home page. So whenever the web container, so here like this, when you type login, so it will go to the next page, but we have a syntax error here. In the line number 12, it is saying value so type now. Okay, see, this is successful. You display the username you entered and the password you entered. Same code you copy and go to the home page. inside the body paste. But here it should not be input text. See this, like
So
otherwise it will display like this box. We don't want box. So I have to put here H colon output
output.
text. So same for this input secret. Output text. This one we don't want buttons. Plus now. Now you try Amna. Okay, your username is this one. Your password is this one. Okay, so like this is your lecture 4. So what you learn in this lecture 4 is how to create a JSF page, then how to create a manage bean, then how to create the properties inside the manage bean, then how to bind your JSF page and the property in the login bean, that is backing bean. Okay, and how to bind the action. When you press the command button, so where you need to navigate. Navigate means you are going to some location. Okay, so that you are writing in the do or display login method, something like that. Okay, whatever may be the name of a method. Okay, so like this. So if you want any colors, background, images, you can put using HTML and CSS. Like here, you go to H colon form, you say style, so you can give some background color. So you type the color code, or if you want, you can give any image. Giving some random, sorry, not image, this color. Okay, like this. So save, go here, refresh. Which page we give? Login successful. Did not come. So style, background color, colon form. So you can just check what are the syntaxes, maybe some syntax wrong here. Okay, like this, see. Okay, see, like this it is coming. So you can design according to your own styles, everything.
Because Mister, you didn't open the H. Okay, no.
No need. This is just the HTML tag, break tag. See, you have to. I changed. No, so you have to run again. So you have to run again this application. So go there and again run. Click run. So you will see the output here in the screen. So you can type here. You type here up to the time. So you can just go to the page and you can type home page. What is it? Login.html. Faces slash login.html. Okay, type now. No. Enter the data. Faces slash home.xhtml. Select that one. Okay. Now type the data. Username, password. Plus, now this is like this. You can do. Please, Anwar, you have to do this and show me. Safa, for you also it is working.
Yes, mister, I am doing.
For you also it is working. Safa, like this.
Yes, but Mr. Nvidia, you did not say display username and password, just the message of login successful.
It's okay. You can practice like this.
Okay, Mr.
Okay, so Sunday you write the exam, the quiz. in the class time.
Thursday, Mr. Quiz
Uh,
ولا Thursday?
quiz.
Thursday.
Okay, Thursday for you.
Yeah.
But for the project management, Sunday.
Yes.
Okay. So, can you stop presenting, Amna? Okay, so I will also stop here. So, you practice well for the next session. Inshallah, we'll meet on Sunday.
Mister,
Yes, tell me.
about me, Mister, my SQL,
About your SQL,
my SQL.
did you
I'm open. Huh?
open now?
Okay. Mister, you see my screen?
No, I don't see your screen.
Oh my god, that's okay. Wait, Mister. Mister, you can access with me?
I will connect to it.
Okay, wait.
Mister,
Yes,
please send for us the record for this class.
this class record.
Yes.
Okay, I will put in the blackboard.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Password, you tell me, Alia. I think it is changed. Password.
I'm sent now, Mister.
Uh, 11 JDM6. 11. Okay, now where is your exit? This one. Exit. Exit. Link. So here, where is your MySQL? Here. So here. What is the password you put? Did you remember? Alia. Secret. See, she is not telling me. It is having some error, I think.
Mister, maybe I didn't put password.
You typed something, no? I saw that.
I'm type something, yes, but I'm type 1, 2, 3.
Where is it? Is it correct? Did you remember it properly?
I don't know, Mister.
What?
I don't know, Mister. I didn't put maybe.
In the time of installation,
Uh-huh.
it will ask what is the password for root.
Maybe 1, 2, 3.
I will check. If it doesn't come, then no problem.
Right?
1, 2, 3. No,
Okay. I don't know, mister.
you have to tell me because you installed and you put the password.
Oh my god.
غالية
Mister, I don't.
غالية،
ها
أول ما نزلت
ايش؟
البرنامج أول ما نزلت
اها
البرنامج ما طلع لك باسورد ويوزر نيم؟
لا.
أنت
نو
ما
نو
فتحت
mister.
البرنامج؟
So you did not put the password?
Maybe mister my name.
Maybe you don't say. You have to make sure.
Shit, mister, I don't know.
غالية،
It's
اليوزر
important or
نيم
not.
روت.
غالية. كل
اليوزر
شيء
نيم
غالي.
روت. أقول لك اليوزر نيم روت، بس الباسورد يطلب منك بس.
والله علمي علمك.
Try now. What is your password? Try.
اوكي مستر هنا. اوكي مستر ويت. it's not correct. So mister, I will delete and install again.
So you uninstall that one.
Mister, look, wait. Look this exam. Okay, the batch it's work, but when I start the top working, MySQL.
Error. Due to the port blockage or shut down by another computer. Why it is not starting is because you are using the same port 80.
Mm-hmm.
So Apache port you have to change. Why you start Tomcat?
Mister, this program I'm used with Miss Basma. It is work Apache and MySQL. It's work, but now when I'm try again, no.
Why this one Tomcat is on? See, this is running.
Mister, it is you. You is. كيف يقولوا؟ Mister, just I am start the Apache, not the Tomcat in here.
I click it is not stopping.
Okay, wait. Stop. Oh my god, wait. Stop. Still. Wait, mister. That's how it looking. Mister, look. That when this message come when I close when I close the program exam. That is what I found.
Are you the administrator?
Hmm?
user account is having permissions.
No.
You click OK now. There.
Okay. Okay.
Port number you have to change in exam. Here also 8080, and in the glassfish also 8080.
Uh-huh.
So if you are running glassfish, Apache will not work here in exam.
Okay, Mr.
So you have
So
to
should we
change the
change
port
the
number.
Okay.
It is not working now in your computer.
Mr. Let's close the program. Okay.
You open the exam control panel. No. How you will open? Right click, run as administrator. Put for the charging. Your laptop is not have charge.
Mr. Look. Because you've okay. Obi. Tomcat's work.
Wait. Always it is starting. Kalia, you uninstall the MySQL. Better use that MySQL instead of this one for you. See, this is the 8082. You have to change some other port number. 8082. Is there any other place? 8080. No, it will be there down.
I think no. Nothing. Nothing. Maybe Mr. Tomcat, you won't work.
See, now the port number is changed here. So go to admin. So localhost 8082.